Hey guys, today I want to share my experience with the 4-week diet. 1 month ago I was 25 pounds overweight. I had tried everything from gym memberships to diet pills. None of them worked. Then I came across the 4-week diet website. It said I could lose at least 32 pounds in just 28 days. So I gave it a try. And it was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. From day one, the weight just started coming off. I couldn't even believe it. By the end of the first week on the diet, I'd lost 10 pounds. The fat would not stop melting away, and it didn't even feel like I was on a diet at all. I didn't have to starve myself, and I didn't have to do loads of exercise. By the end of 4 weeks, I'd lost a total of 27 pounds, and I've been able to keep the weight off the whole time. I feel healthier, slimmer, and now I can show my body to anyone without feeling embarrassed. If you're looking to lose weight quickly and keep it off for good, I recommend the 4-week diet. It worked for me, and I'm sure it'll work for you too.